Welcome back to Cars World, the ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, news, and everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the bold and futuristic exterior of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, a compact SUV that continues to redefine its segment with sharp design, advanced features, and an unmistakable road presence. The 2025 Tucson pushes the limits of Hyundai's design philosophy, known as sensuous sportiness. Right from the first glance, it's clear that this SUV isn't afraid to stand out. The front fascia is striking, dominated by the brand's signature parametric grille that seamlessly integrates the daytime running lights. These DRLs remain hidden when turned off and light up with a jewel-like brilliance when activated, giving the front a dramatic and upscale look. The hood features strong character lines that flow naturally into the fenders, creating a sense of movement even when the vehicle is parked. This sculpted styling isn't just for aesthetics. It also enhances aerodynamic performance and contributes to better fuel efficiency. Hyundai's use of creases and sharp edges along the body panels lends the Tucson a bold, athletic silhouette that rivals even some luxury competitors. Moving along the side, the 2025 Tucson boasts a high beltline and chiseled door panels that add to its aggressive stance. Its muscular wheel arches house striking 19-inch alloy wheels on higher trims, with dynamic geometric patterns that amplify the SUV's modern attitude. A sloping roofline adds a hint of sportiness, while the blacked-out A and B pillars create a floating roof effect that enhances the visual appeal. The side mirrors are sleek and aerodynamically sculpted, integrated with turn signal indicators for added safety and style. Flush door handles maintain a smooth profile and reflect the growing trend toward clean, uninterrupted design lines. A subtle chrome accent runs along the lower edge of the doors, further enhancing the premium feel without appearing overdone. At the rear, the Tucson continues to impress with its full-width LED taillight bar. These tail lamps feature a unique fang-like lighting signature, giving the rear an instantly recognizable look. The Hyundai badge has been relocated to the lower portion of the tailgate glass, allowing for a cleaner overall appearance. A sharply styled rear spoiler and integrated rear wiper contribute to the modern, tidy finish. Dual-tone bumpers and a diffuser-inspired lower section give the Tucson a rugged yet refined vibe. Depending on the trim, you may also get contrasting skid plates that add an off-road ready touch, even if most drivers won't take it far from the pavement. The 2025 Tucson is available in a fresh palette of paint options, including deep metallics and matte finishes that highlight its sculpted surfaces. New colors like Amazon Gray and Ultimate Red give buyers more ways to make a personal statement on the road. This latest iteration builds upon the legacy of the Tucson, which first debuted in 2004. Over the years, it has grown in both size and stature, and today it stands as one of Hyundai's best-selling global models. With this 2025 refresh, Hyundai proves it's not just keeping up with design trends, it's setting them. That wraps up our deep dive into the exterior of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson here on Cars World. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride, right here on Cars World.